Welcome to Istanbul, a city where Europe and Asia embrace centuries of history, whisper through every corner, and culture thrives in every heartbeat. This is the city of endless stories. Begin at the Hagia Sophia, an architectural masterpiece that has witnessed the rise and fall of empires. Just steps away, the Topkapi Palace invites you into the opulent world of the Ottoman sultans. Beneath your feet, the Basilica cistern whispers the secrets of an ancient waterway. Feel the pulse of Istanbul in the Grand Bazaar, one of the oldest markets in the world. Lose yourself in the colors, aromas, and flavors of the spice market, where centuries-old trade routes converge. And as you sip Turkish tea, let the hypnotic dance of the whirling dervishes transport you to a realm of spiritual harmony. Istanbul's soul lies in the Bosphorus, the shimmering waterway that separates two continents. Hop on a ferry, feel the breeze, and let the rhythm of the waves tell their timeless story. The Bosphorus isn't just a divide, it's a bridge between worlds. Istanbul's flavors are a feast for the senses. Every bite is a journey into tradition, from the sweetness of baklava to the aroma of freshly brewed Turkish coffee. And don't forget the iconic scenic, a simple bread that tells its own story in every crunch. Istanbul isn't just a city, it's an experience, a journey through time, a bridge between worlds. Come and discover the magic for yourself. Istanbul awaits you.